CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for today and onwards. Is it a buy? I'm going to be breaking all that down in this brief short 1 minute video. Now, I'm the only guy in this page with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience. When I say this, people think I'm exaggerating or something. It's all documented on my YouTube channel. No one else has been this consistent and actually showing you proof. With CRCL especially, since it's in my demand zone, the only thing that I'm waiting to and hoping to see is a shift in a double break so I can take it up. Now, pre-market is far lower, right? And that is going to happen, right? That is nothing unusual there. We can argue that this whole thing right here is its own demand zone as well. So even if it, I mean, if we are for real, the 4-hour chart comes down from this range, right? But with this in mind, it's not going to be just me randomly buying here. Like, the real shift that I would care about is currently, it must happen above this, actually not this, but this top. And only if I see a shift there, only then I'm looking to take it further up. Now, this is more so of like a swing thing. Once I see the shift, intraday trades can also, like the lower time frame can be biased towards this long side, but I'm not in any sort of rush, you know what I mean? So CRCL, got about 37 results here. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.